there are lots of adaptations to what I've just shown you. So if you have your arm pressing down, think about where the pressure is going through to. Sometimes it's going to go through to the sacral area, sometimes I want it coming over into the hip area. The angle of the forearm is going to make every difference to how that feels. So if I angle, and when you angle where you're going to, your body needs to be behind. So if I'm heading that way, I'm going to be more this way. If I'm heading that way, I'm going to be behind that, leaning forward that way. Remember your hara, you're leaning forward, your knee is going forward on that front leg. And the pressure comes from your whole body, not from the arm or the shoulder. You can then also begin to use your forearm in different ways. Rolling is one way to use the forearm. What I'm doing is rolling from that soft place onto that ulnar edge, but only gently. See, nice relaxed wrist there. So it's very specifically working there. If I show you the other way around, I can also work this way around. I'm just using my hand as a support there. So this is just rolling the forearm. Very effective, but very little effort. Leaning into it, very little effort. The other thing I can do is roll backwards and forwards, more like a seesaw position. Seesawing backwards and forwards, seesawing backwards and forwards. None of this is new to you, yes? All right, you might have forgotten it, but
no, I use that a lot.
Yeah,
that's what I
use it
start
a lot. So here I'm using the ulnar edge more. I've got a nice piece of tension in there. So I'm going to actually use the ulnar edge very specifically, but still my wrist is nice and soft. I'm using it very specifically to find that area of tension and work in there. And this is the next piece. Thank you.